This video is sponsored by Tsum Tsum World, home of the original Hello shirts. Tsum Tsum World, proud sponsor of Mr. Gonzo PR.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. We say every day I'm lost their way, and all that's right is rain. When you take your place on the surface, but not.
Baby alligators will feed off of small fish, insects, nothing too hard or big yet because their jaws wouldn't be fully developed. More broad. Alligators have 80 teeth, 40 on the top, 40 on the bottom. They also have over 100 bones on their back. Their back is like a solar panel. It restores energy from the sun, so by nightfall or winter, they'll have enough energy to move around. Now they eat raccoon, weasels, turtles, snakes, birds, fish, basically anything out here smaller than them they could grab a hold of with their mouth to drag into the water. Now they have black spots around their snout. These black spots are more like sensors. So basically anything touches their snout causes the alligator to open up even wider. The trigger on the alligator is his tongue. Anything touches his tongue causes him to snap. When he snaps, the pressure of his jaws is around 2,000 to 3,000 pounds per square inch. This is their tongue. Now their nostrils lies here on the tip of their snout. Their ears are right behind their eyes, is a slightly low line. The two circles on his head is an alligator soft spot. That's where their brain is located at. There's no bone there, so how poachers and hunters usually kill them, they'll shoot them right in the head. Now they have 3 lenses on their eyes. One to close shut, one to protect in and out of water, and one that turns infrared at night. Here goes one of them. They can swim 30 miles per hour in water. They run up to 15 miles per hour on land. Short distance on land, about 15.